Have you ever heard of chia seeds, Smeed? They look tiny, almost weightless, like little black dots you could easily ignore at the bottom of a jar. But don't be fooled by their size. These seeds, often known as chia seeds, are among the most powerful natural superfoods on Earth. When you start adding them to your morning routine, your body can begin to change in ways that might genuinely surprise you. More stable energy, better digestion, improved focus, and even support for your heart and brain over time. Welcome to Hodderpain Health Lab 365 Fo, where we uncover simple, natural ways to transform your health, backed by science and real-world results. In this video, we're going to walk through exactly what chia seeds can do inside your body, why they're so effective, and how you can use them safely and consistently for the best results. By the end, you'll know not just that they're good for you, but how they work and how to fit them into your daily life. Let's start with energy and metabolism, because that's usually the first change people notice. Most of us are used to quick energy spikes from coffee, sugary snacks, or refined carbs. You feel good for a little while, and then crash. You're tired, craving more sugar, and struggling to stay focused. Chia seeds work very differently. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, plant-based protein, and soluble fiber. This combination slows down the digestion of carbohydrates and helps keep your blood sugar more stable throughout the day. Instead of a roller coaster of energy ups and downs, you get a smoother, more sustained energy curve. Many people find that when they start taking chia seeds in the morning, they don't feel that heavy afternoon slump as intensely, and they reach less for sugary snacks or extra caffeine to keep going. Now let's talk about digestion and detox. One of the most interesting things about chia seeds is what happens when you mix them with water. If you've ever done this, you've seen the gel-like texture that forms around each seed. That gel isn't just a weird visual effect. It's soluble fiber doing its job. When you drink or eat swollen chia seeds, this gel moves through your digestive tract like a gentle internal sponge, helping to trap waste, support regular bowel movements, and keep things moving smoothly. Over time, this can help reduce constipation, minimize bloating, and create a healthier environment for the good bacteria in your gut. Because your gut and your skin are closely connected, some people also notice that as their digestion improves, their skin starts to look clearer, calmer, and less inflamed. It's not magic. It's the result of better elimination and a healthier internal ecosystem. Weight control is another area where chia seeds can quietly support you without extreme diets or harsh products. When the seeds absorb water and swell, they increase in volume, creating a feeling of fullness in your stomach. If you take them in the morning before breakfast, that feeling of fullness can naturally reduce your appetite, so you're less likely to overeat or reach for extra snacks later in the day. The fiber slows digestion, the protein helps with satiety, and the stable blood sugar helps reduce sudden cravings. It's like giving your body a gentle, natural portion control system that comes directly from food, not from pills or artificial suppressants. Of course, chia seeds aren't a magic weight loss shortcut. You still need an overall balanced diet and movement, but they can make it much easier to stay on track and avoid constant hunger. Beyond weight and digestion, chia seeds are remarkably powerful for your heart and brain. They're one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, especially ALA, alpha-linolenic acid. Omega-3s are known for helping to reduce inflammation in the body, which is one of the underlying factors in many chronic conditions, including heart disease. When you consume omega-3s regularly, they can support healthier cholesterol levels, more flexible blood vessels, and better circulation over time. At the same time, your brain benefits as well. Omega-3s are critical for brain cell structure and communication. Many people report better focus, clearer thinking, and a sharper memory when they regularly include omega-3 rich foods in their diet. While chia seeds are not a replacement for medical treatment, they are a simple daily step you can take to nourish both your heart and your mind in a completely natural way. So how do you actually use chia seeds in your daily routine? The method is very simple, but there is one important rule: never eat them completely dry. These seeds absorb a lot of water, up to many times their weight, so you always want to give them liquid to expand in before you swallow them. A basic effective way to start is to take 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and mix it into a glass of water. Stir it well and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. During this time, the seeds will swell, and the water will become slightly thicker as that gel forms. After it has soaked, you can drink it slowly. This is a great option first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, because it primes your digestion, supports hydration, and starts your day with fiber, healthy fats, and some protein. If you don't like the texture of the gel in plain water, there are plenty of other easy options. You can sprinkle soaked chia seeds into a smoothie, where they blend with fruits and yogurt for a creamy, filling drink. You can add them over a bowl of oats, or mix them into yogurt to create a thicker, pudding-like breakfast. Some people enjoy adding them to overnight oats, where both the oats and the seeds soak together in milk, or a milk alternative, and become soft and satisfying by morning. The key is consistency. Choose a method that feels enjoyable for you so that you can stick with it day after day without feeling like it's a chore. When you're just starting, it's better to begin with a smaller amount, especially if you're not used to a high-fiber diet. You might start with 1 teaspoon per day, see how your body responds, and then gradually increase to a full tablespoon. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, because fiber always works best when the body is well hydrated. Over the first few weeks, pay attention to subtle changes. Does your energy feel more stable? Is your digestion more regular? Do you feel less bloated? Are your cravings calming down? These small signals are often the first signs that your body is adjusting in a positive way. Remember, the real power of chia seeds is not in taking them once or twice and expecting miracles. The secret is in the habit, not the hype. It's what you do every day that shapes your health, not what you do once in a while. A single tablespoon of chia seeds won't transform your life overnight, but adding them consistently to a balanced lifestyle can slowly shift your digestion, energy, and overall well-being in the right direction. Think of them as a quiet, supportive ally in your routine, working in the background while you go about your day. So, are you ready to start your morning with a teaspoon, or better yet, a tablespoon, of transformation? Imagine waking up, hydrating your body, and giving your gut, heart, and brain a small but powerful boost before you even start breakfast. If you've never tried chia seeds before, this might be the perfect time to experiment and see how your body responds over the next few weeks. If you have tried them, share your experience. Did you notice better digestion, more stable energy, or a difference in your appetite? Tell us in the comments. Have you ever tried chia seeds, and how did they make you feel? Your story might inspire someone else to take that first small step toward better health. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Health Lab 365, where science meets simplicity and nature meets real, practical results. Together, we'll keep exploring simple habits that can help you feel better, move better, and live healthier, one small change at a time.